Hi guys, so I'm Alwyn, driver and owner of the Super Minion 1400, and today's video we were racing against the 200 plus wheel kilowatt Beetle, and we were also on about 210 wheel kilowatts. We made this on 0.9 bar boost and we made 324 Newton meters of torque. So I'm gonna put the graph on for you so you can see, and then I'm gonna put two videos. We did a rolling start because the guy with the Beetle was afraid he might break his side shafts, so we did a rolling start and there was two camera views, so I'm gonna put both of them on, the one from the start and then the one from where you can see the end result, who's winning or who's running ahead. And that's it for today. In the next couple of videos I'm gonna put some more information about the bakkie, give some more power figures of the new setup, what fuel we are running, what internals we have, about the fuel cell and fuel pumps, a little more detail so you guys know a little bit more about the bakkie, or the pickup as some people would call it. And then from now on I'm gonna try and make the videos a little better with a little bit more detail. And so yes, that's about it. So you guys have a little more info on the cars racing each other, all of that. So we're gonna see what we can do and try and get this channel up and running. Thanks for everyone watching the videos. Please subscribe, get your friends to subscribe, like the videos, hit the bell icon so you can see all the new uploads every week, and enjoy the videos. Okay, so on this specific race with the Grey Beetle we made 210 wheel kilowatts, 324 newton meters of torque, and we did that on 0.9 bar boost with the CA with the GT30 turbo. So yes, here comes the videos.
Die bakkie kop op.
Well, that was some short nice videos, and guys, please subscribe to my friend Harry's page, Shitbox Racing as well, and have a good day. Enjoy.